A lot has changed since these two Madden and off we go between. That'll be taken in the end zone. And he won't return this one. He'll go down to a knee. And
often mass a burning desire to win and
play action now. Cousins. Blitz coming, and down he goes. Ethan Westbrook.
I'm going to use their aggressiveness against them as this game goes on. I'm going to hit them with a screen soon.
Team. Now Cousins. Hey, right on cue. They set up the screen and complete it. They get 7 there, making it work. Cousins. It's a short one here, complete to the tight end. And he's going to be stopped here a few yards short of the first as the tackle is made at the 30 for the opening drive of the game. And 9 yards there on the return following a punt. Just shy of the 30. They'll run here with John Kelly. Yards on the pickup. Now they'll have some options.
For a while, because you know me, I want to take that shot early and loosen things up.
He gets away from one. And he's got some space here. And taking it across midfield and inside the 45. 19 yards to pick up there. Move the chains.
Absolutely love the run right there. This guy's known for his quickness, but also for his speed. He's able to get to the second level almost before you blink. Always talk about slot receivers. They're usually known as quicker than fast. In this case, we've got a guy who's quick and fast, and he used it to great advantage.
A shotgun snap for goal. He'll get this complete to Cooper Kupp. 10 yards on it
For that long.
Yeah, better against man than zone, or
better against man, because now you're running away from someone and you're not running into a defensive player in another zone.
They'll try and run for it with Kelly. And some room to work. There he goes, left side. And they are able to strike first here on their opening drive. An ideal start. Zerline good with a PAT. And it's now a 7-0. That's fielded in the end zone. And no run back here. This will be a touchback, and it comes out to the 25-yard line. As they get set to take the field. And on the first drive, 3 and out. I know that these are professional athletes, but I would imagine sometime...
A great day for you. You're not really ready to play. So finding a way to harness those nerves and not let them affect you in a negative way, that's what all the guys are looking for.
Able to do that there, but still good yardage. Going up top. Oh, it's taken in. It's complete. A gain there of 30 big ones.
I know we love our jobs, and pretty much any play we see, we're pretty, excited about. But big plays, that one.
That was great. And what our camera missed was the fist pump from the sideline after that catch. They're fired out. That's a big game. From the gun, here's Cousins. Got his man complete over the middle. That's Collins. Looking to throw again on second down. Cousins. Now he'll dump it underneath to his running back. Complete. And taking it to the 15-yard line before he's brought down. This is going to be another first down as the tackle's going to be
mid-position. When they see a running back at the backfield widen because he heads towards the flat first, oftentimes you widen too much and overcommit. He cuts up inside, and that's what we saw there. A nice pickup for a first down.
The first carry now for... And he was able to shoot the tackle, but the reserves come in for the stop. Cousins gives way to Cook. And he'll be taken down here at about the 11. Another draw play. Cousins to Cook. And he'll be taken down, but he does have first down. Get one more in here before the quarter breaks. They go play action here on first down. Under a heavy rush, and down he goes.
Instead, the defense counters with pressure, and the defense wins, getting a big sack.
Cousins. Got a man, and it's touchdown. A 7. And he is a reliable involved there for the score.
And they should. He's a very good player. Remember, they can use him in certain positions, so many different spots, and he usually comes through for them.
It's good, and we're all tied at 7 apiece. So that drive, 80 yards, 9 plays. And it ends with a... So all even at 7 now as they kick it away. This is taken at the 3. And a nice job there as he gets this one up just shy of the 35-yard line at the 34.
And reestablish himself now that they're back on the field.
Pressure. It'll bring him down.
Pursuit. What a running start right back to the backfield for him.
Yeah, it really didn't give anybody a chance to get up there and stop it.
No, I mean, that's really, really difficult. You're asking a whole lot anyway, but when he gets that kind of a start and comes through clean, oftentimes...
Here on second down following the sack, it's 2nd and 18. He's going to float this over the middle, deep. And that is going to be pulled in one-handed. Wow. A big pickup of 38.
You know I'm going to lean towards the defender, right? You know I'm going to do that.
I know.
That's a tough situation for him as I see it. But streaking towards him, that little arc on it, he's got to find a way to get his head around and make a play on the football.
.40 now for 1st and 10. Back to throw. He's out of bounds, but not before. He's just shy of the marker. Running right with Kelly. Shrugs him off. Still churning.
Ran right through that weak tackle attempt.
Have taken the lead. Good, he just decided to make a play of his own, and it worked out.
Yeah, you often wonder if they think to themselves, was the coverage too good to allow him to run the football? I think you'd rather take your...
And he's got it. It's now a 14-7 ball game. Set now to kick this one away, and off it goes. That'll be taken in the end zone. And no back here. On 1st and 10, Cousins. Over the middle, and it's incomplete.
Control this game.
Yeah, I think you're right. They seem to have gone off tendency quite a bit, but only the second quarter, a lot of time to change things. And they get him down, but not before he takes it across the 40-yard line. Cousins on 1st down. He's got his tight end on the corner route. It's complete. He had one touchdown earlier, nearly a second there.
Yeah, took a touchdown saving tackle to keep him out of the end zone after a big play. But maybe he can pay things off after a big effort.
From the shotgun, it's Cousins. And it's caught in the end zone. Touchdown. A 9-yard touchdown grab. As they are an extra point away now from tying this football game. He was on point throwing the ball right there. He had the big play to get him down goal.
And you mentioned the big play that got him down close. I think that big play left him reeling a little.
And we've got a good one brewing. We're all knotted up at 14. 75 yards. And the result in the end, touchdown. This one tied. Six one away. This is fielded at the goal line. Shedding the tackle. It'll bring it a few past the 20 to the 23-yard line. Rams up here 1st and 10 at their own 23. Forced out to his left. He'll wind up getting 9 after tucking. On 2nd down, it's Kelly. And he'll bring it up.
Really fits, doesn't it? How about his ability to break tackles and his feet never stop moving?
At the 45-yard line. Throw complete right side to Cooks.
Good work, boys. Let's go. Let's go.
You off to Orlando. Jonathan Coachman will have first half highlights and analysis from a back-and-forth first half that we've seen. And he'll be flagged as well. I think this one's going to be a face mask.
That's going to be 15 yards.
Here's Goff. That is caught at the 7-yard line. 4 yards on the pickup.
To the receiver as fast as possible. Hope he's got man-to-man coverage and hope that his athleticism wins on the perimeter.
A second for the end zone. It's now against a 3rd and 6. Here's Goff. And it's caught for touchdown by
Exactly right. That was timed up so well. The route, the throw, touchdown.
It's up and good, and that'll make the score 21-14. So that drives 7 plays in length, and it winds up with a touchdown for. That's fielded in the end zone. And no run back here. This will be a touchback, and it comes out to the 25-yard line. And they get set to take the field. There was still more than a minute to go in the half. Time to try to mount a drive.
And I would think that they would have to. This is to how to push it.
First down. Here's Cousins. It's a short one here, complete to his tight end. And he'll be upended at the 20. The completion good for 3, and it's second down. To throw again on second down. Cousins. And he'll be brought 37 on 1st and 10. Cousins to throw it. And an incomplete pass. That'll stop. Cousins again. And a quick throw here, that's complete. They get the stoppage with a little over 50.
False start, offense.
On 3rd down, Cousins. Firing quickly here, and that's complete. And he'll be taking sufficient passing on this drive. There's another 1st down. And Cook has it, left side.
I like that one, partner. They go back-to-back with extra best back.
Yeah, we knew that they would get him involved early. They're doubling down on getting him involved early.
Don't be surprised if they'll come right back to him again.
2 for 3 thus far. This is 3rd and 4. Throwing is Cousins. To get the football first here, and they look to build on their lead as the second half gets started. This will be taken in at the 1. A look at the running back to the guys up front indeed. They'll start on the ground with Kelly. And the result here, a pickup of 8. From the 39, Goff. That's caught by Kelly. And it'll be brought down. That's a fake. Here come the flags.
Face mask. Defense.
Job, right? Trying to get him on the ground. Next thing you know, they march off another 15 against your squad.
And they will eventually get him down, but he's in. On a jet sweep, they get this to Cooks. And he will fight his way into the end zone for a touchdown. Brandon, his second touchdown of the night. Gone to their advantage. Score the second half. Now you start to pull away a little bit and get some breathing room going.
And now we find out about the fortitude of the group that's behind, because they were counting on getting into.
Zerline connects on the extra point, and the lead. That'll be taken in the end zone. And he won't return this one. He'll go down to a knee. Out come the have it first on offense to start the 3rd. And their halftime hole now even deeper. They need a big drive here just to answer.
Start pushing and try and get back to where you were to start the half.
Trying to fire up that running game with Dalvin Cook. And nothing doing. He's immediately
Can get in there, break it, and lock it free. They need to get some takeaways as well.
And again, the run defense working out of the gun. Cousins. And he finds a man on the crossing route. And they get him down.
That you can line up anywhere, in the slot, out wide, in tight, doesn't really matter, because he has such great skills. You want to utilize him in all aspects of your passing offense.
It was in the slot. A first down throw for Cousins. Quick hitter here, it's complete. To throw is Cousins. Throwing into traffic there, and that's complete. And he'll get it into enemy territory. On 3rd and 1, here's Cousins. Rush coming, and he's taken down. Matt Longacre.
I think on this one, this is probably good scouting, understanding a few tendencies, and figuring out that, hey, they may take a shot, and they dialed up the pressure and got to him.
First kick, 47. This one looks good as well. And this is going to hit the goal line and continue.
It's really hard to narrow that gap, and the other part is they're taking their spirit away from him, too.
And now they're just looking to add to that total. 10 yards
to the ground, shaking, and those big behemoths starting to create space for you up front. He did a pretty good job of just following those guys through there for a nice explosive run. But sometimes you just don't want to break tendencies. Stay with what you are, stay with who you know, and go get the first down. That's exactly what they did.
That's a gain of 13 first. Now Goff on first down. Over the middle, that's hauled in by Kupp. And he'll be taken down, but not before he works it past. Oh, here's first and 10 at the 46. On the run, it's Kelly. Another nice gain, 13 yards.
Lower that front seven reacting to the football, almost like body blows in boxing, slowing them down, and they're really starting to take over in this game.
Off play action. Here's Goff. Flushed out right. He'll get the first down and more inside the 20. Another good gainer that time. This one goes for 19 yards.
Man, defensively, that hurts. They got him out of it. He was able to tuck it away and get away for a gain.
From the red zone now, they'll look to throw. Staying on his feet. Flush to his right. And he can't find a receiver, and he's brought down. Now Kelly. And for the first time, 3rd and long, it's gone. It's caught left side by Cooks. And he'll only get this to the 14 as he'll come up well short of the first down. They get Zerline's kick is up and through. And that'll push them. This fielded a few yards into the end zone. And no run back here. This will be a touchback, and it comes. Cousins now to throw on first down. It's a short one here, complete to the tight end. And they get him down, but not before he takes it across the 40-yard line. From the gun, here's Cousins. Over the middle, it's complete.
Because you hit a guy on the run like that, you often can go for big yardage.
Sets him up nicely for second down, staying ahead of schedule. This is complete. Again, it's Cousins. And complete, right side to Cook.
Better execution and absolutely. All the way, ran to the football, and caused a nice play for lost yardage.
And this is going to be another first. First down, here's the run with Cook. And he goes backwards. Throwing, Cousins. Looking left side, and he's got a man. That's King. And he's going to be brought down just shy of the 5 at the 6. Cousins. In trouble, and he'll go down back at the 12. 4th down, Cousins. And the pressure too great, and he goes down once more. Matt Longacre, and this 10-play drive winds up yielding nothing. So they tried to go for it for pride, but it really wouldn't have mattered. This one, it was already determined. Throwing now, Goff. And he slings one that's incomplete.
Got plenty of lead, but I've seen this a bunch of times as well. The defense is going to crowd the line of scrimmage. If you just hand it off inside, you're getting your running back.
They'll go again with Kelly. Still going. And he's taken down, but able to slip across the 35. It's a gain of 11 and a free. On the jet sweep, they get this to Cooks. Fights off the defender. Shrugs off another.
Personal foul. Face mask. Defense.
Gonna run the sweep here. This is Cup. And he's corralled at the 40, but not before picking.
It's a rarity when we watch games now because defenses have put such an emphasis on taking the ball away. But what we saw here was offenses spending their time saying, look, you know they're coming for it.
Barlands. Good night, everybody.